I mean, it was great. I mean, it was very hands-on. Um, you know, Traveling to a different country, that I hadn't been to before, you know, all of the like administrative things were settled for me. Like my had a hotel reservation, I had transport to the airport, I had transport to the institute. So that it was nice that I didn't have to worry about that. I just had to go in and take care of the procedure. The doctors that they had contracted took, and even actually Terry took such great care of me. Um, I really felt, I mean, it felt like it was a family, like they called for the 2 weeks after that, they were calling me every day, give me an update, send me some pictures, what stretching are you doing? I mean, it was really great. And yeah, so I was the short answer to your question is I was very pleased with the environment, the culture, the knowledge of everyone. I mean, it's one of the nicest resorts on the island. It's, I've done quite a bit of traveling, both in the Caribbean and just in tropical destinations. And yeah, it was nice. The food was good. The staff was good. They have like on-site spas and things like that. And they, the institute had us, the team had us for like a couple of dinners and stuff. So it was really nice. Everything was clean, orderly, and I felt like I was at a doctor's office, in the States, or even better. I had tears in my MCL, and I had cartilage torn off of my femur. I was experiencing a lot of swelling and pain, limited mobility in the joint, and difficulty difficulty some walking, and certainly like at any pace above walking. And so, and this was also causing me to, not being able to have that movement was causing me to, exercise less and gain more weight, and the problems were just kind of like compounding on each other. And so I got the stems. Things started to get gradually better. I was able to eventually like do a squat and walk properly. As that went away, and I was able to get back into the gym. One of the activities I enjoy is playing pickup basketball, which can be hard on your knees if you're a big guy, obviously running up and down the court. But I was able to get back into the gym, and just as the same way as when I got injured, the problems kind of compounded on each other. As my joints started to heal, the benefits also compounded on each other. Like as I was able to work out more, and then my metabolism was up, I started losing weight, and then just kind of like organically the pressure came off of my knees and things like that. And so like it was great. So I decided to go back and get another round a few months ago, and even Dr. Abbott noticed immediately. He's like, hey, I can see like just a difference in your physique, that you're a much healthier person than you were a year ago. And so I've just had really good success. I mean, I can tell you that there's a tremendous amount of mobility. There's little to no pain, and there's little to no swelling. So I know something's gone great. But yeah, I went back for another round, and between the last few months and now, it's gotten better as well. Like I'm now back to playing basketball 3 times a day, breaking a full sweat, running, jumping, having fun. I'm really pleased, and to the extent that I've even referred a couple of my friends, like, hey, you should give this a shot, certainly before you have surgery. Yeah, absolutely. But I can tell you, certainly for the joint issues that I was having in my knees, 10 out of 10 would recommend. It is certainly something you should try before having a major surgery. I mean, without question.